Do you feel like you're constantly busy but never truly productive? That's a sign you're doing too much. Today, let's talk about something that every smart entrepreneur and leader must master: delegation. Delegation is not about giving up control, it's about focusing your energy on what really matters. Let's jump into the topic. Before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss valuable business insights. Now, coming back to the topic, let's look at the challenges we face due to delegation. Most people struggle with delegation because they fear things won't be done right, or they believe it's faster to just do it themselves. But over time, this mindset becomes a trap. You end up doing low-value tasks that someone else could handle, while your core priorities suffer. When you delegate effectively, you reclaim time for high-impact work, like strategy, planning, and creative thinking. You also help your team grow. Delegation builds trust, promotes accountability, and creates a culture of ownership. It's a win-win. Ready to delegate but not sure how? Here's how to get started. Step 1. Make a list of your daily or weekly tasks. Step 2. Separate what only you can do and what others could handle. Step 3. Choose just 1 to 2 repetitive tasks and assign them. Step 4. Train your team, give clear instructions, and trust them to deliver. Step 5. Use tools like project management software or checklists to track progress without micromanaging. Let's quickly bust some common myths about delegation. Myth 1. It's faster to do it myself. Truth. It may take time to train once, but it saves hours in the long run. Myth 2. Delegation makes me less important. Truth. It makes you more strategic. Myth 3. Only big teams can delegate. Truth. Even solo entrepreneurs can outsource smartly. Delegation is powerful, but not everything should be delegated. Keep core decisions, vision setting, financial oversight, and relationship building close to you. Delegate the process, but not your purpose. So let's recap. Delegation isn't just about reducing your to-do list, it's about unlocking your true potential as a leader. It gives you back your time, your focus, and your freedom. Imagine having the mental space to think big, lead boldly, and grow intentionally without drowning in the day-to-day. If you're ready to stop running in circles and start building a business that runs with you, not because of you, then it's time to take action. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more insights like this. And if you're serious about leveling up, book a free consultation with us. Let's explore how smart delegation systems can transform your business. Because remember, when you delegate right, you don't lose control, you gain freedom.